Hey guys, it's Ron here again. I never once thought about putting any aftermarket antenna on my Phantom 3 Advanced, my Phantom 4 Pro, or even the Mavic Air, which if you guys check out my video, my range test was just awesome. I did it on the Mavic Air first because everybody kept talking about the Wi-Fi connection and that it has 2 miles. I've seen guys get 2 miles or close to 2 miles. I've seen guys lose it in the drink. I've seen guys crash them doing range tests. Lucky for me, that never happened, and I had a great team out there with me when I did have my error in the video. But check it out because I went over 3 miles with the Mavic Air in that video. But that's enough of the Mavic Air. It's about 4Hawks. I'm super impressed with it because the connection I had with the 4Hawks between when I did the range test on the Mavic Air was installed versus after was just what a difference. In the video, I already did a range test on without the 4Hawks on. And I got a little over a mile. Kind of choppy video, but nonetheless it went over a mile. With 4Hawks, I'm hoping to get about 2 miles. Now it's not about the range for me. Even with the Mavic Air or the P4P or the P3A, it's not about the range. Range is just kind of shows you how powerful the antenna is. I fly a lot in the cities. I fly a lot over in the mountains and in the forest area, and I lose a lot of connection, get a lot of interference. And with 4Hawks, it's going to eliminate a lot of that. So that's what 4Hawks is primarily for, guys. It's not really for the distance. It's just the distance to show you how powerful the antenna is. So right now, you're about to see the difference between in the same video, range test without 4Hawks on the Phantom 3 Advanced and with 4Hawks with the Phantom 3 Advanced. And without further ado, guys, here comes the range test. Well, guys, as you saw, it got over 2.5 miles with the 4Hawks. I was hoping to get 2. I am very pleasantly surprised just to get over 2.5. I think it was like, if you do it, it's like 2.6, 2.7 miles. Very powerful antenna. I highly recommend it. Now, that was on the P3A. It kind of started getting chopping out, as you've seen on the video. That antenna strength is just amazing. I highly recommend it. I'm going to put the links to 4Hawks down below if you guys want to buy it. It's not an affiliate link. It's just directly to their website. And check them out. Very impressive. In fact, I'm happy I got it for my P4P. The Mavic Air had me sold when I put it on there, and I But the P4P, I fly mostly with that when I get a lot of my city shots. And when I get city shots, I mean, I get tons of interference where I'm like literally, 100 feet up, 200 feet up, and not even 300-400 feet away, and I'm getting a weak transmission signal and whatnot because the cities have so much interference. Guys, like and subscribe my page. Hats off again to Four Hawks. Sorry the video is a little different than my other ones. Weather's been horrible, so I had to get out when I could and got it done. But guys, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. And if you have any suggestions, just go ahead and leave them in the comment sections. And thanks again for Four Hawks. Take it easy.